Hey, good morning YouTube. So today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day inspired look from start to finish, and I am going to be featuring a couple of new products or things that I bought. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So as usual, I'm going to start off by doing my eyebrows, which I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. If you guys saw my everyday routine, I'm going to go ahead and start by doing that, and I'm just using an angled brush. I don't know, maybe I should have done this before, but I don't know, I thought I'd do it all at once. And if you guys can't, if you can tell, I got new lighting. Let me know what you guys think. I actually got a ring light. I just got it a couple of days ago, and this is the first video that I film using it, so I'm pretty excited. I feel like a real YouTuber now because my lighting is better. Hopefully my videos get better. So let me know what you guys think. And this look is not gonna be kind of too dramatic. Originally I thought about doing like red or pink on the lid, but I feel like doing something a little softer, like if you're gonna go out to a fancy place for dinner or whatever. You don't want to look too over the top. This is gonna be a more subtle Valentine's Day look, but we're gonna get some red in there a little bit. Okay, so I already filled in both my brows. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer to kind of clean it up, and I'm gonna use this brush that I recently purchased, the Morphe M2. Let me go and open it. Hold on. It's a Morphe M421. And I got this new concealer brush because the other one that I have is already losing its little bristles, so I needed a new one. And I'm going to use my MAC concealer. Let me get closer. I could get closer. There you go. Just going to take some of that. I'm going to clean up under here. And do the same thing to the other side. And my son just woke up, so we'll see if we're able to finish this. Okay, so back to what I was doing. I was cleaning up my brows here, and I'm going to do the same thing to the top. And this brush is actually pretty good. And the reason that I got this Morphe brush is because, for one, it was only about $4, I think. And then also because I had gotten one for Christmas for my friend, a blending brush. And I really liked it, and I had never tried any Morphe brush. So I figured I'd give this one a try. And it does the job. Pretty good. And then just kind of blend that out, and then I'm gonna go in with my primer, which is a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, which I'm almost out of, but we'll squeeze them out. So what plans do you guys have for Valentine's Day? The only thing I'm doing is going to work. But I'm kind of excited because I got the list of for the kids in my daughter's class for her Valentine's Day party. So we're gonna go out today, hopefully, and get some Valentine's cards for her and see how creative we can get with those. So that should be fun. But other than that, I don't have any plans really. We'll see. We never know. So I'll just prime my face. And this primer, you don't need a lot of it, but I like to put a lot of it because it feels really nice on my skin. So that's the primer. Then I'm gonna put on my foundation, which is the MAC Studio Fix in NC42. It's not gonna focus, but anyway. And I'm gonna be using this new sponge that I got from Walmart. I actually got it for $7. It's a blending sponge combo pack by Whispers. I said, well, it's cheap. Let's give it a try. I mean, it's just a sponge, so versus paying like $10 for two. The one that I got last time, I don't know what it was, but still. So I'm just gonna apply some of that on here. And let's start applying. Take a little bit more. I think I'm really gonna invest in a foundation brush, because even though I do like the way these sponges apply the foundation, I feel like you waste a lot of product because sometimes it gets soaked into the brush, you know what I mean? I don't know, maybe it's just me, but for now I'll just keep using this. And again, it works pretty well. It's just a sponge, it's nothing special. So. Definitely, I feel like this lighting is a lot better than the one I had. Well, I haven't actually seen, yeah, I like it better. The other one that I had was just like a desk lamp. It was an LED little lamp, and it worked for a while, but since I didn't want to buy like expensive lighting from the beginning because I was just like starting off, you know. I mean, I've only been doing this for a couple of months, but now that I know it's something that I can keep up with and I enjoy doing, I said, why not invest in some good lighting? So, but that's a whole nother video. I'm just talking. Okay, so that's pretty good. And I'm not gonna use any concealer today because this is like a soft. I don't want to do too crazy. So that's my foundation. Then I'm gonna go in with the powder that I set it with, which is a Mary Kay powder, and I just use a little flat brush. And after this, I want to film a get to know me video. So we'll see if I have time to do that. But I really wanted to get this Valentine's Day look up for you guys. Like I said, nothing too crazy, just something soft, possibly for beginners like me. So that's the powder. Then I'm going to go in with my highlighter, which is blush first. I'll take this BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to go in with this one, which is my favorite. And just apply it. So this shouldn't be a really long video because, like I said, it's a very soft look that we're going for. Okay, get a little more color back into my face because you kind of mat it out when you put everything on there. And then I'm going to use my Love Light highlight. I'm very excited about this light, like you guys don't even know. Okay, the other side. Can you see that? Okay, and then for the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Dream Queen palette because it has a lot of nice soft pink colors in there. And I'm gonna start off with the Morphe brush that I was telling you about. This is the M330, and I'm gonna take Snowball Effect. I'm just gonna put that up here. To help blend out the other colors that we're gonna put in there right now. This brush is so soft. And the shadow is very nice too. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with let's do Unwrapped. Nice. So that's Unwrapped from the Too Faced palette. Okay, now we're gonna go in with Son of a Nutcracker. This one here. And I'm going to put it right under that color. And I will forward this a little bit so you guys, it's not a super long video. So that's it right here. Then I'm going to go in with something like really pretty and bright. Not colored, just still neutral, which I might go in with my Perfect Filter palette. The Perfect Filter palette, and I'm going to use this color right here. Brush. So that color didn't do much, but we're going to do the same thing to the side. Then right now we'll go in with another color. Actually, that's pretty good. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with a concealer. And I'm going to cut the crease a little bit. About halfway, not too much. So just half, and I'm going to do the same thing to their side. Hold on. Okay, with this little round brush, and I'm going to apply it over the concealer. It's super bright. I'll just take it to your side. I would normally just put music over this video, but today I feel like talking to you guys. Then I'm going to go back in with that blending brush that I was using and kind of just blend this out. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. Okay, so I've already done my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna line my waterline with another Smashbox liner in Fishnet, which is the one that I always use. Hold on. Okay guys, and the mascara that I'm using is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I just curled my lashes, and I'm just gonna layer a bunch of this so they look full. Yeah, and since this is a Valentine's Day look, I couldn't not use red. I think it would look good with this, so I'm gonna put in the Russian Red by MAC, which is a really pretty red color. I kind of already, I used to use the Ruby Woo one a lot, but I kind of retired that one already, so let's go in with this one. There's my lipstick, and this is my idea of a Valentine's Day look. Like I said, I didn't want to go with a lot of red or pink on the eye. I wanted to focus it on the lip, and I'm pretty happy with the way it came out actually. Let me give you a close-up. And I actually didn't think I was going to be able to film this because my son woke up just when I was doing my brows, but he was pretty good and he let me film. So this is my Valentine's Day inspired look. I hope you guys like it. Again, thank you so much for all my new subscribers, everyone who has left their comments and likes and stuff on my channel. And that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video. And I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day. Let's not leave that out. We'll see you guys around. Bye.